Engine manufacturer, General Motors, model 1980, huh? Check it out, bro. 1980, 1985 small block Chevy, 5-liter V8 engine block with the 2-bolt main displacement, 5 liters, already said that. Firing order on the right side, which would be the left side from where I'm recording. 1357, then 2468. This would be 77531 886 42 and some notes. Pause if you want. Torque specs, camshaft sprocket, 20 feet, pounds, counting rod cap, 45, exhaust manifold, feet pounds, 20, cylinder head, bolts, feet pounds, 65, flywheel to crankshaft, 60, intake manifold, bolts, feet, LBS, 35, main bearing cap bolts, ELBS, 80, oil pump, ELBS, 65, corrosional, damper bolt, 60, water pump, 30, crank case front cover, this is actually inches in LBS, 80, that's a lot. Now I'm going to disassemble the engine. You can see this. This is really rusted everywhere. This is broken. You can see that. Can you believe this? This is 1985. Of course it'd be broken. Bent. Really bent. Wow. Now I'm just going to disassemble it. And I wonder if you guys put it back. Just pull this up. Yeah, shouldn't it? Where's it from then? Shouldn't it have like a nut? No, because this one's a bracket. So I suspect this is the great caliber bracket foot. And there's something loose on that because when I kick the wheel, we hear the noise. Something is loose. What? Come on, tree. Come on, tree. Putting everything in. Shit. This. Not supposed to just take that out like that. That's probably not good. It doesn't matter. We're gonna do that. Make sure not to pressure. Loose. That's the old.
Oh, you can probably get it done. It only takes one visit. Yeah, you can get it done. Yeah. Might be able to disassemble it together. Also, is that supposed to be?
What? I don't know what you're saying right now. This is my notes. This is everything. Engine manufacturer, General Motors. Model 1988, 1985, small block Chevy. 50-liter V8 engine block with a 2-bolt displacement. 5 liters. Firing order. One. This is one.
1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 6, 4, 2. Who cares? Torque specs. Pause the video if you want.
You don't like the skin on the orange?
I'll restart this a bit. See, these are on 4. This is taken off. Yeah. Mr. Heffernan also hates the World Cup.
Yeah,
He hates soccer.
he's been debating me about soccer for the past
These are
3
the
years.
rods slightly bent, as you can see. There's a lot of things. Yeah, these are chipped, blackened, and everything like that. Who cares? This is actually missing a piece of the rocker arm. As you can see, I did not pull that out. I'm also not going to do this side because it's basically the same thing. Might lose me marks. Oh, wow, look at that. That's a big bolt. See, that's a big bolt right there. Wow. I'm changing angle. Now, Benum's in the screen. You see that, Benum? I'm gonna lower this down. I don't know how to. It's gonna be like that, but it's gonna fall. No, it's not.
Yo, you got it, man.
There would be like a 10-minute bolt.
And try building horizontal, not vertical.
Oh my gosh, David.
Don't give recommendations.
David.
Yeah? Yo, you see this? You see this? Bring that close to the camera.
Charlie.
That big guy? That big. Sick. Now I get to take these bolts off. That's real fun stuff. Thank you, Mr. Perkins. Ow. Oh my god, there's some stuff. Oh, no, there isn't. This, man.
That's fine. That's a 46. That's 46 minutes. That's the second one.
Look at that. That's, jeez, man. Look at that. Those are the things. Cool. I don't know.
Gore.
Silent but deadly.
No. David.
Yeah? Oh, Chud wants to be Chad? Oh, real cool stuff right there. The ratchet gets in the way and the thing isn't tight on enough. You could just use this socket. And then I'll take it off.
Yeah, Walker, clean up.
Oh, wow, okay. Someone just kind of... Wow.
Whoa!
That... Bro, someone just put it in the oil pan, man. Wow, okay, if you saw that, someone just kind of put this into the thing here. Oh god, I have a cut. That's not good. Okay, well this is a crankshaft, yeah. Someone also didn't put that. I'm not gonna I will put this back actually. If I can. Maybe. If you're lucky. I'm scared. Got more banana D right here. Insane. Wow, that comes out really. You see the piston ring, holder ring. Hammer so I can beat Benum's head in with it. What? What? Who said that? Son, this engine's gonna birth a piston. Funny joke, right? Yo, son, do it right. I'm doing it. Son! Yo, shout out to my South Koreans. Yo, your son fix the engine right. It's a boy. Oh my god, that's your first piston. Show the camera, show the camera. It's a boy, look at that. It's your first piston, bro. I only need to take out one piston. It's your first piston. Hey, man. Where are they going? This is also really messed up. Look at that. That is dirty. I'm not going to show anyone Max because no one wants to see Max on the camera.
David, yeah. Another one?
Another one?
550.
3:30 appointment, okay?
R.I.P. David. Maximus Caesar.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Maximus.
Banana on video.
Woo!
Maybe.
You broke it. You broke it.
That's. I'm just taking it off, bro.
No, it shouldn't be that bendy.
I just took it off. That's not my fault.
Nah.
Mr. Copeland. Man.
Yo, you broke it. Yo, you're a gut. You're a gut. Bro, this has been here for like longer than we've been alive. You know that, right?
Record your video.
Huh?
Record your video.
Damn.
1980.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You're pushing that. Get out of here.
Was that video?
That was on video. Actually, I'm going to specifically add out
No
that.
World Cup for Italy, bro. Bye-bye.
My boy.
You know that engine has been here since the school opened up.
Mr. Coples.
I'm not joking. So like 1980 something. Or 1970, I found out. They used to have two Dennis O'Connors. Yeah, you know where St. Bernadette is, right?
Yeah.
So they had a Dennis O'Connor there. It was two campuses. So you could have had a class in this one, and if you had another class in the other one, you would have to travel from here to the other one.
I doubt that.
And you would you do. Hello?
Coples, I
Yeah,
tried
home,
taking
son.
off this piece and it started bending a lot.
Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be. It's a little rusty.
Take it off and it's no good.
That's another piece to the engine not working.
Oh, you would never use that in the way. Put a new
See
oil
that?
gasket in there.
See that camera?
Yeah.
Old and disgusting. Look at that.
Yo, stop. Run your shit right now.
I should